So the first gift is from Justice Queen. She got me that is ferocious, so thank you. Another one from her. Don't speak dance, thank you. She got me Rosita, also ferocious. I'm gonna open every gift I got from her. Another one from her as well, which is Fishy, thank you. Another one from her again. So she gave me them here, thank you. Okay, next one is this thing from I'm sorry. Okay, from I'm being scary. So she gave me Fireball. Thank you. Another one from her. Cheeky Cute. Thank you. Another one from her as well. Mysterious Glam. Thank you. And this says flamingo hair back, so hopefully that's what I got. So she did. Thank you so much for that hair. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going. I was watching Megamind.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Give me that definition. I'll put that on right now. Gucci for one thing. Really fantastic. Thank you for her. Justice Queen, another one from her again. She gave me a background. Thank you. Another one from her. Justice Queen. Sorry for the lag. Massacre. Thank you. Rooms 1215. English Jordan. Thank you. Another one from her. I was good. Thank you. This is like a boy, so boy thanks for thank you. Another one from her as well. She gave me this really good rare electric monster, so thank you very so much. And one from Princess Alina. Can we hold it together? Thank you. Okay. Tell them I missed them. So she's on YouTube or whatever. So this one Diamond, that's why she gave me some fun food. Thank you so much. Next one is also from Gucci for one. She gave me double up. Thank you very much. Red Rose 438 gave me, she gave me that singing animation. I actually really wanted that animation for a long time. So thank you so much. I got another one for Red Rose 035 for 8, I'm sorry. Spooky Love. Thank you very much. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4. She gave me New Year's Starlight. Thank you. Next gift from XX Choco. Quick news XX. Thank you for this here. Charlotte Backup. She gave me double up. Thank you. Mailtime from Bum 0922.5p. He gave me the rifle shirt. Thank you. That's real cute. The last gift is from Official's Pepe account. The last thing okay, so thank you for watching. And I would say that the winner would have to be probably Rares or Diamond XY. I will announce it on my account in a few days. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe also. Thank you guys and bye.